इंडिया जैसे वाइब्रेंट और डाइवर्स कंट्री में सितंबर से नवंबर के महीने बहुत खास होते हैं। ये वो मैजिकल टाइम होता है जब पूरा देश एक सेलिब्रेटरी स्पिरिट में होता है। फेस्टिव सीजन रक्षाबंधन से शुरू होता है इन अगस्त and continues through a series of traditions and festivals including Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, Dasera and lastly the grand crescendo of Diwali in November. और साल के एंड पर ये फेस्टिविटीज सीमलेसली कंटिन्यू होते हैं क्रिसमस एंड न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेशन के साथ। बट अ स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर लाइक यू वुड अग्री दैट ये फेस्टिविटीज सिर्फ गैदरिंग्स, कलरफुल डेकोरेशंस और डिलिशियस खाने के बारे में नहीं है। इस सीजन का प्रोफाउंड इंपैक्ट होता है ऑन सेवरल सेक्टर्स ऑफ आवर इकोनॉमी। जब इंक्रीज स्पेंडिंग के कारण कंजम्पशन पीक पर होता है और नीडलेस टू से इट क्रिएट्स सम वेरी अट्रैक्टिव इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर अस। And in this episode of the Third Empire, we reflect on those sectors that benefit from the festive demand and the discretionary spending scenario. What are these sectors? What are these names? And what holds the biggest promise is something that we will cover in this episode as we too rejoice with you for the festivities that lie ahead. Let's begin. You're watching The Informed Investor, an initiative by Research and Ranking. Precious metals like gold shine bright and are a popular purchase during festivals because of its significance in Indian tradition. India's gold consumption typically peaks during the Diwali and Dasera festivals, which also overlaps with the country's wedding season. In India, gold is not only an investment but also an auspicious symbol of wealth and prosperity, making it a key element of festive rituals. Interestingly, the gems and jewelry industry contributes around 15% of India's total merchandise exports and stands as the world's second largest consumer of gold. Well, now, talking about the price, gold rose from 50,400 per 10 grams on October 6th to 63,000 per 10 grams on November 1st. Gold prices have risen amid geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and with the Federal Reserve keeping interest rates high at 5.5% and largely supported by the robust demand. Moreover, gold has always been considered a safe haven, which means that during times of economic and political uncertainty, gold seems the most safest and attractive buy. Furthermore, according to the World Gold Council, India's gold bar and coin investments touched 55 tons in the third quarter, which translates into the highest since 2015, indicating the domestic demand rising as peak festivities like Dhanteras and Diwali arrive. E-commerce firms ride high on this festive season as millions of shoppers come to the online portals to grab the special deals hosted by them during the season. E-commerce firms such as Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra and others launch their annual festive sales on October 8th this year. I'm sure you would have heard the mega sales like Big Billion Days or the Great Indian Festival Sale. And here's the jaw-dropping part. According to Redseer, in the first 4 days of the sale, these e-commerce platforms garnered a remarkable gross merchandise value of 29,000 crore rupees. Moreover, Redseer anticipates the sales or gross merchandise value could touch up to 90,000 crore rupees by the end of the festive season, increasing about 18 to 20% higher than last year. So what's driving this online shopping spree? Well, 81% consumers prefer to shop online as it offers convenience and a wide selection. Categories such as mobiles, appliances, apparel and electronic items receive the most interest. Additionally, features like no-cost EMIs, pre-book, price lock and easy financing options have helped consumers make discretionary and big-ticket purchases this year. In the world of gadgets and gizmos, this festive season brings a hearty boost in consumption. Electronic goods as well as consumer durables also witness a significant uptick in consumption. Smartphones have always been one of the hot picks, and according to Counterpoint Research, the festive season has seen a significant increase in the sales of flagship smartphones with 25% year-on-year growth in smartphone sales. In volume terms, smartphone sales have grown 9% as compared to a decline of 2% in the year-ago period. But here's the highlight. iPhone for the first time ever crossed sales of 1.5 million units in the first week of festive sales between October 8th to 15th. The outlook for India's smartphone market is shining even brighter, with expectations of growth in the coming quarter. It's all thanks to the pent-up demand, the prolonged festive season and a speedy embrace of 5G upgrades. On the other hand, consumer durables, which include items such as ACs, refrigerators, large screen TVs, fans, kitchen appliances, expect double-digit growth and a healthy 30 to 40% growth in demand this festive season. There has also been a shift towards premium segments and models led by stable urban demand and the need to upgrade, coupled with easy financing options supporting the segment. Now, let's shift gears and hit the road. The automobile sector is revving up and zooming ahead thanks to the festive fever, especially in the passenger vehicle segment. The PV segment witnessed record sales of 391,472 units in the month of October, resulting in a 7.6% growth over the previous month and an impressive 16.3% over the previous year. When looked at the breakup, Maruti Suzuki has been leading the race, showing off a stunning 20% growth in units sold. Meanwhile, companies like Toyota and Mahindra have been on a joyride, witnessing growth rates of 56% and 35% respectively compared to the previous year. It's a testament to how the festive spirit is giving wheels to the auto industry. Additionally, the festive rush had a positive effect on the two-wheeler segment, as well as with Hero and Bajaj both displaying growth of double-digit figures. On an overall basis, India's auto industry has seen a huge jump of 20% over the past 72 days of the festive season, which started on August 17th. To add to this, dealers have started stocking up inventory, and surprisingly, the auto industry has estimated an inventory of 335,000 units, which is at its highest level in over 5 years. Moreover, by Bhai Dooj, which marks the end of Diwali, the industry is expected to achieve a significant milestone of 10 lakh cars sold. The strong festive demand will continue into the months of November and the rest of the year, with dealers offering attractive festive discounts. The festive season demand, along with the ongoing World Cup 2023 in India, has indeed led to a surge in airfares and hotel tariffs shooting through the roof as people wish to travel to their families and celebrate with their loved ones. During the Diwali week from November 10th to 16th, airfares on major routes have skyrocketed compared to the previous year's Diwali week. For instance, the average one-way fare from Mumbai to Delhi route during the Diwali week has risen by 27.8% compared to the Diwali week of the previous year, while the Pune-Delhi and Bangalore-Kolkata has seen a surge of 40%. Here's a little context. Last Diwali, 668 weekly flights operated on these routes. However, despite the increase in demand, only 1.2% increase in the number of flights has been seen for this Diwali, as the industry has been experiencing a bit of turbulence. Robust demand and limited capacity have been the significant factors attributing to the extraordinary rise in airfares. Moreover, Go First insolvency, SpiceJet's financial stress, and the pilot attrition with the CASA have been the recent troubles through which the aviation industry has been navigating. Yet, despite these soaring prices, our determined travelers are undeterred. They're packing their bags and heading out to celebrate this festive season with their loved ones. The spirit of the season seems to be taking flight no matter what the ticket price. Did you know it's a common belief that cleaning and painting your house before Diwali brings prosperity and good luck? This is the primary reason why the sale of paints and cleaning essentials skyrocket during the season. Consumers opt for giving their homes a facelift by painting, home decor, renovations, leading to a surge in demand for paints and coatings that can significantly benefit the paints industry. And companies, in order to attract homeowners, run special Diwali promotions and discounts, which thereby boost sales in this auspicious festive season. The next segment that benefits from the festive season is the textile industry, especially in segments of celebration wear, wedding and festive clothing. When it comes to festivals, fashion is king. From traditional attire to the latest trends, Indians go all out to look their best during the festive season. This year is no exception, as consumers flock to retail stores and online marketplaces to update their wardrobes. Right along the festive season comes the wedding season, which spurs up demand even further, making the season of shopping spree last longer. Festivals hold the power to shape our wardrobe choices and shopping habits, making a colorful shift in consumer spending patterns. The demand for kurtas, sherwanis, lehengas, saris, and kurtis starts to climb, turning the spotlight on traditional and elegant garments. Additionally, CRISIL Ratings expects retailers to pick up and grow to 7 to 8% in terms of revenue, buoyed by festival and marriage season demand despite inflation eating away the purchasing power. Real estate, an integral part of the Indian festive season, has seen robust growth in leasing and sales. Occasions such as Dasera, Dhanteras, and Diwali symbolize new beginnings and prosperity, resulting in a substantial upswing in housing sales. This annual high point for the real estate sector brings forth a plethora of new projects and a range of incentives aimed at attracting home buyers. According to a report by real estate firm CBRE, with 150,000 units already sold in the first half of 2023, home sales in India are predicted to reach 3 lakh units in the second half of the year, the greatest amount in the past 10 years. And what's fueling this real estate bonanza? It's the festive season coupled with a fresh wave of millennials stepping into the world of real estate. Despite prevailing home loan interest rates, the demand for housing continues to exhibit remarkable resilience due to the affordability of properties in the market. And here's the icing on the Diwali cake. Making investments during this auspicious times is believed by many to bring good luck, prosperity, and wealth. So as the Festival of Lights shines bright, so do the hopes of investors. To make it even more special, the Indian exchanges roll out the red carpet for a unique Diwali tradition, which is called the Diwali Muhurat Trading Session. It's a designated 1-hour window from 6:15 to 7:15 pm, and this year the special Diwali Muhurat trading falls on November 12th. During this time, investors come together to trade and make investments, hoping to kickstart their financial journey on a fortunate note. And Sensex has made Diwali happier in 8 out of the last 10 Muhurat trading days. Since 2013, Diwali had given 2 sessions of negative returns in 2016 and 2017. But apart from these blips, all other sessions have brought a smile to investors' faces, with the most recent Diwali delivering an impressive 0.88% gain. The festive season is not only about celebration, it has a profound impact on the economy, categorized by increased spending and vibrant consumption patterns. It's a season that lights up not only homes but also the hopes and aspirations of investors, painting a picture of prosperity and good fortune for all. Will you be investing this Diwali? The choice is yours and the opportunity are as bright as the festival itself. Happy Diwali and happy investing.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app Informed Investor to watch more such informative and interesting videos.